everybody, hope you're alright. So I'm doing something a little bit different today to what I normally do. So I've come to Chris from Pro Horizon's field, which he owns, and I'm going to be drilling some autumn flowers for him. So you've heard me talk about Chris loads and loads and loads, and you've seen like his videos, you've seen his footage, but you've never actually met him in one of my videos, and Chris has become a big part of what I do. And I just thought it'd be really nice for you to maybe meet him. So Chris.
Hello!
Here he is, look!
I'm here.
The man himself.
Thanks for that, Johnny.
That's alright,
that intro. Yeah, so as Johnny said, I do a lot of work. I work with Polybell, so I'm filming him and seeing him every week, which is great fun. Obviously a job I really enjoy. Now, Johnny wanted me to tell you a little bit about Pro Horizon. I set it up a couple of years ago. I used to work in the corporate world, quite a high pressure job. I was head of digital for some large companies, and I decided I wanted a different way of life. I don't want this non-stop pressure that goes with it. So one of our neighbours with his sprayer on. That's Jim. So yeah, I decided I want a different way of life, and we had a little boy, and Mrs went back to work, and I looked after him, and I probably worked a couple of days a week building the business up for the first year or so. And as things got on, it's now a full-time job for me, which I thoroughly enjoy. Get to be out and about on the farm and working as I like to work, rather than as the corporates dictate. So that's been a big change for me, and I've really enjoyed getting to know Johnny and becoming good mates now.
yeah, it has. It's been brilliant, Chris, and you've been such a big part of what I've done. You know, behind the scenes, people don't really realise how much you've taught me, and you know, everything that I've learned through you. So yes, Chris is a massive part of the channel. So I'm just happy that you get to meet him, and we've also got a massive announcement to make. massive announcement that Chris has been working super hard on behind the scenes, and I really mean he's been working hard. So yes, if you stay tuned, there'll be a big announcement at the end of the video. So right, we'll have a look at what I'm doing. Hi guys, so I'm out with the oops, sorry, there goes the camera, the Mighty 240, and I've still got my beacons on, look, you silly boy. And the Watkins with the stock ag seeder on it. So this is the seed here, this autumn pollen and nectar mix. There's enough in that bag there to do a hectare. Chris's bit is about an acre, so you know, we'll only be using just over half a bag. Yes, this is the Watkins. You've all seen it before in the other Watkins videos, and it's perfect for this job. It's not massive. I mean, it's 5 metres. It's still a big piece of kit. It's 5 metres wide, but it's nimble enough to get into these. You know, Chris has got a little triangle bit there, this bit here, and yeah, and it does a nice enough job. So Chris's soil, it's some lovely soil. I mean, look at that. I mean, look, just picked up a bit, and there's a worm already. Look at that. Awesome soil. So plan is, well, my plan, whether it's right or not, I don't know. I'm going to disc it twice, just to incorporate some of the rubbish in. Well, it's not really rubbish, there's a few flowers in it already. Just chop them up, get a bit of a tilth going on, and then I'm going to drill it. But I'm going to drill it at half a rate, so I'm going to drill it twice, because with it being a tight area, I'm more than likely going to miss little bits with something like this. So if I drill it twice at half rate, at least I know there won't be many little patches or missed bits. So just hopefully be a bit more consistent, because this is Chris's field. This is his effectively garden, so I want to make a good job for him, you know. So it's the first proper favour I've been able to do for him. So yeah, we'll try and make a good job. If not, I'm sure he'll tell me otherwise. Okay. we finished doing that bit of drilling now for Chris. Fingers crossed, it'll all be all right.
Looks good.
Chris.
Looks
yeah,
good.
Looks all
I'm
right
sure
now.
it will be.
In 3 weeks' time, hopefully it'll be green. And if it's not, then
it's not your fault.
No. And someone's been in and stolen the seed out of the ground, I think.
It happens.
It does happen.
Crows.
Yeah, there's lots of seed thieves about. Yeah, well, yeah, crows or just mainly crows. But so yeah, at the start of the video, I mentioned that there was a bit of an announcement to make. Now, a lot of people have been asking me if I was ever going to do any merchandise or anything like that. To be honest with you, people mentioned it, but I didn't really think about it that much because I never ever thought there'd ever be a need for me to make it. And a lot of people have asked for it, and I was really humbled by the amount of people that asked for it. So I'm going to hand over to Chris now just to explain a little bit more about that, the merchandise side, so you can announce
where it's come from and what's happened. So yeah, thanks Johnny, appreciate that, mate. So yeah, as Johnny said, there's some merchandise. You've probably spied it on the table already. This is just one of the exclusive Johnny 1388 range. So that's Johnny in his Fent with a drill, sorry, not drill, it's a plough. I'll get there in the end. You know, I've not been doing this job long. So yeah, it's got his logo and the Cavernan plough on, and this is, as I say, one of the range that I've created with digital artwork. So it's not photographs. There will be some photographs in the future, but this is purely digital artwork I've created, and they're on things such as stainless steel thermos. We've got coasters with the Fent 1050 on, we've got coasters with lots of other tractors, and again, this is just the start of the range, so it's going to expand weekly as we move on. And the company that we've set up around that, I've set up, and Johnny's an affiliate with that, is called Simply Agri. And for me to launch this has been a lot of blood, sweat and tears at weekends and evenings to pull this together. My background is actually business, as I mentioned a bit earlier, digital, so it's been good to get back to do this and create everything. And it's exciting for Johnny, because he's got an exciting new range, which again is testament to his number of fans that have obviously asked for that, which is the exclusive one on there. And you'll find other ranges on there as well. And within the next few weeks, we're going to give away this canvas, which is it's the 1050 from Polybell with the Vadastad top down on, and that's a digital artwork again, created as a canvas. And all you have to do to find out about that is sign up for the newsletter on simplyagriculture.com. That's the website. Johnny will put the link below, and we'll send out some information in the next week to 2 weeks on how you enter, and it will be computer-driven draw. Put my teeth back in for the prize on that. So yeah, just subscribe. We'll send the info out. Good luck with it, and back to Johnny. Can tell a bit more about his range. Yeah, well, like I say, Chris, the website, the Simply Agri, the store. It's not. There's going to have an exclusive Johnny 1388 range, but that's only going to be a small part, isn't it? If you don't, and I really wouldn't blame you if you didn't want my little logo plastered on things. You really don't have to get it, so you could get this mug with this picture on without my name. Not day one, I haven't put that one on yet. All right, well maybe you can have that in the future. You can, yeah. there are other pictures with Johnny on with the top down on. Yeah, that are on there as well. So yeah. Yeah, so there's loads of different things. So it doesn't have to, specifically. I won't be offended if you don't want to get anything with me on. But there's just the product range is just going to keep expanding and expanding and expanding into it. There's going to be some really good products on there, and yeah, it's not about trying to show off or be big-headed. Chris has worked really hard doing this. He's been working late into the night, all of his weekends, right up till the silly hours in the morning, trying to get this sorted. And it's been a big deal for you, Chris, hasn't it? And it is a big deal. You've put your heart and soul into this, haven't you? Definitely. There's been blood, sweat and tears, but hopefully it'll be worth it. It's great to see some of the artwork out there, to be honest. Yeah, because it's brilliant. And that canvas that we're giving away there, I really want it. I've asked Chris, and I'm allowed to enter the giveaway, but I don't think, if I won, that would look a bit of a fix. No, I did say to Johnny, if he won it, I'd have to buy another one, and then we'll have to give that away, because no one will believe it if he actually won. No, they said it will be done by a computer algorithm draw, so I'm got a clue who's going to win. Yeah. So I think make sure it's all fair. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely all fair. So yeah, that's the big news. So if you'd like to have a look at the website, I'll leave a link in the description below.
Click on that link, it'll take you to the website, and there will be a discount code.
Yep.
Right, aren't there?
Yep.
10% off if you type in Johnny1388 for the first week.
Yeah, and that's on your range of products.
And that's on my range of products, yeah. So 10% off, Johnny1388 discount code, and that's, you know, if you feel like buying anything.
You don't have to though, guys. Just have a look, give us some feedback.
Yeah, that's an important thing. Yeah, if you can't afford to well, not even afford, if you just don't want the products, just give us some feedback on it, you know, because that's the best thing. Criticism in any shape or form is useful.
Yeah, you have to swallow it sometimes, but that's the whole point. Without it, you can't change direction or keep developing. So
that's right.
It is important for anybody that creates videos or products or anything.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It is. So I'll leave it there, then, guys. So the link's in the description. Voucher Johnny1388, 10% off. Have a look and let us know what you think.
Cheers, guys.
Awesome. Cheers, guys.
Who said making videos was easy?
Was easy. God dear. Come on, Johnny. You double chins.
And my special laugh.
Oh,